Hello, my name is Danish Pirzada. I've done my bachelor's in chemistry and I'm currently pursuing my PGDM in media and entertainment from Wellinka Institute of Management.
Hello, my name is Dr. Priyanka Patil. I have done my graduation in Bachelor of Dental Surgery. Currently, I am pursuing PGDM Healthcare from B School, Mumbai.
Hello, I am Natali and I have completed my bachelor's in pharmacy and I am currently pursuing PGDM Healthcare from B School, Mumbai.
Hello, my name is Elvin Tamez. I have done my graduation in Political Science Honours and I am currently pursuing PGDM Media and Entertainment at V School, Mumbai.
The reason I chose this program is because I wanted something industry oriented and not just theoretical. The thing that really appealed to me was the fact that we got to learn from industry leaders and that gave us an insight of how the environment actually functions.
With 6 years of experience in healthcare sector, now I wanted to change my role from execution to leadership or the managerial role. Hence, I have joined this program and also to strengthen my analytical skills ahead in the healthcare industry.
I already had the domain knowledge of pharmacy and I had an inclination towards the management side and wanted to explore more from the healthcare industry. I found PGDM Healthcare at V School the perfect platform to develop and harness my skills.
I have joined India Media in Entertainment program at Wellinka because I didn't wanted a conventional MBA experience for me, and coming from political science background, I've always understand consumer psychology and society, but I was intrigued by market and I felt like this was the perfect blend of creativity meeting strategy.
The things that I got to learn in this program is the fact that I got to work on like real brand campaigns. I got to work on like OTT shows, like from show marketing, and I even got an opportunity to work on real-time brand campaigns for some of the biggest BFSI brands, some of the biggest hospitality brands.
My journey in V School was very transformative and growth-driven. Through conferences, assignments, projects, and internship, I have learned a practical knowledge of hospital operation, pharmaceutical management, and real-time exposure of patient experiences.
My journey at V School is very transformative. I have been the General Secretary for consecutively 2 years, which helped me develop my leadership skills. PGDM Healthcare at V School has offered me platforms to connect with various industry experts, shaping my future and making me corporate ready.
My journey at Wellinka would be surreal because being a fresher to becoming the Deputy Placement Secretary to Deputy General Secretary, everything was very much transformative, and the biggest shift I would say was in my mindset.
I've been placed at Landmark Dubai. Landmark is one of the biggest conglomerates in Dubai. It deals with electronics, hospitality, and fashion. It is one of the most renowned companies in GCC and in India.
I have placed in Narayana Health.
I am placed at Infosys in the healthcare IT sector. This shows that PGDM Healthcare not only restricts students to pharmacy or hospitals, but has diverse career opportunities.
I am placed at Frutal, a FMCG sector company, and also my dream sector.
My message to the aspiring students is, if you're serious about building a career in media and marketing, this place provides you with the perfect ecosystem to learn from industry leaders and to learn a lot of things under their mentorship. You get to network and also get a feel of what the real world is.
My message to young aspirant, if you really wanted to build your career in healthcare sector, this is the good program that you can think of. Also ready to learn beyond textbook, understanding practical knowledge of hospital operation, pharmaceutical management, and patient experiences. Also to focus on learning new skills of analytics, leadership, and communication.
My message to the young aspirants would be, if the healthcare industry excites and interests you, and even if you do not have the healthcare background, do not worry. This is the perfect platform for you to make a meaningful career for yourself. Please take the leap.
My message to the young aspirant would be, ask yourself one question: are you willing to grow? If the answer is yes, this is the right platform. If you are somebody who's ambitious, stretch your limit, then you are always and you are at the right place.